One to Global FX Radio's Market Wrap-Up Show YouTube. I'm your host, Andrew Spanton. Wednesday, May 20th, 2009. What a day. What a day. What a doggone day. Oh, baby, can you say El Cable? La Luna Cable. Oh, my goodness. Well, again, looking at the euro dollar right now, though. We're looking at that. Gone, bang, zoom, to the moon. And again, I go over in detail what my strategy is for tonight. I'll try and do it for you now. Again, euro dollar getting very close to the big golden retracement, 138.50. I think it's going to stop, people. Big resistance there, 138.50. Big day tomorrow. I think this move has come way too far, way too fast. Let's look at the dollar index. I just want to show you this because I think, again, this dollar index is going to be a very big spot. Huge. If dollar index can hold this channel line, I think we have a setup for a nice reversal tomorrow. Very nice. Now, again, remember, jobless claims coming out. This is a major channel line. If we bust this, now this is a bad tick, by the way. We bust this, say bye-bye. We hold it, we're going to have a nice reversal. And again, we got big numbers coming out. Manufacturing out of Eurozone PMI as well as services. But again, to me, the bigger number, London retail sales, El Cable. Now, again, sterling dollar is busted out. Sterling dollar has already gone through some major retracement lines. Where is that? Get rid of that. Now, again, it depends where you do your retracement. Where you can do your Fibonacci retracement. You can do your fib from the highs to the lows. And look what you got. 165. That's why this one of these analysts, that's what they're calling for. 165. Makes sense. But nothing goes up in a straight line. And to me, I see a little resistance here. I'm grabbing at straws. I know I am. But look at this resistance right here. Hopefully you can see my pointer. That high. Nice little tweezer top. Meltdown. That's right. That's, I believe, 158.60 in that zone. 120 pips from now. Cable makes a new high and reverses. Could easily see something like that. But, if we notice, if we look, when cable's in a melt-up mode like this, rarely does it go out without a fight. Rarely does it just top out and just collapse, especially when it's closing this strong. Obviously, here it did, right? But this is some breakout. I find it hard to believe cable's not going to be up, especially, again, part of my bias is this. London numbers have been good. Even the last night's number we know is not good, but London numbers in general have been better. Now we're up to the next cycle of the month where retail sales are coming out again. Well, retail sales last month were much better. Market probably is going to think they're going to be good. Now, it's triple roll, and I'm trying to put all this into one 10-minute thing. So I'm not looking on this triple roll play. I'm not looking to make a killing on it. I'm actually looking to be long going into the retail sales number and get out before, and I think it's going to be a bad number. So I'm going to be short into it. It could be a disaster, and again, even if it is a good number, this is a sell on the news. Sterling dollar could be up 300 pips. Maybe it's up 300. But at the end of the day, I believe, okay, this thing is going to stall. Listen, it dribbled. It's melting up. You can even measure the move, 145 to 150. Now it's taken this whole 153 out, 158. Certainly adds up. So sterling, hey, we've been bulls. Ever since this breakout the other day, 2 days ago, you've been watching me. I've been bullish. We cleaned up today in cable, although I could have done much better, to be honest with you. I think my average is like 156.50. I sucked it up the last 100 pips. I just couldn't believe it. I actually tried to go short. Lost 50 pips doing that too. So, but still, tremendous day. All the carry trade, great. Anyway, but again, pound dollar, to me, this is it. I'm making the call. Sell on the news. At the end of the day, it's going to be down, or at least down 150, I believe, from the highs of the day. Dollar yen looks like it's got more to go. That, to me, is the one for triple roll that's really going to work well, I think. Dollar yen looks terrible. Absolutely horrible. Dollar yen looks like it's easily going to go for 93.50. And again, actually, I want to show you the fib. Let's take a look at the fib. We've done this. I know I've done this before with you people. We can do it from different places. Let's do it from here, the real low, to the high. And dollar yen is about to break through the 50% retracement. Okay, we take out 3 days ago low. Good night. See you later. Bye-bye. Say hello to my little friend, 93, and there's the 92.70. And I see a little support there, too. Nice support right there. Look at that. Bang. Nice support. So 92.70 certainly could be a spot. Once we take out the 50, it should melt. So dollar yen for triple roll is where we want to be tonight. Tonight. Abso-freaking-lutely. Euro sterling, nailed that, baby. Oh, my sell was 88.50. Ooh, got lucky. It didn't really get there on the spread basis, but it touched it. Anyway, remember, it's only a bubble. You people should be short. It's going lower. But again, I can see a reversal on retail sales. If cable's really going to reverse, we come down to 86.50 on a good number, some big spike down, and bye-bye. Reversal, baby, to the moon. Maybe something like that. But Euro sterling looks busted, head and shoulders, gorgeous head and shoulders pattern here. Left shoulder, right double top. Just looks marvelous. To the downside. 86.50, here we come. Boy, was that some meltdown today or what, everyone? Unbelievable. Sterling yen, let's take a look. The yens definitely have me a little perplexed, as euro yen certainly does not look very good. We'll take a look at that daily in a second. But sterling yen, I think it's a fait accompli, baby. We might explode here. And again, that's going to be, the explosion in the carry trade is going to be if the stock market futures reverse big time after the 8:30 numbers come out. Remember, 8:30 a.m. Eastern, big numbers, unemployment claims. I've been calling for a better unemployment number for about, 3 weeks now? And I've been dead wrong. But it's coming. The bludgeoning of job cuts is coming to an end. So I think this number is going to be a better number. I just got a feeling. One of these times I'm going to be right. You know it. If I am right and the futures are down, the carry trade's down, and it's going to be a great opportunity, I think, if the futures do reverse, to get long the carry trade for a nice reversal to the upsides. Because besides, some of the other ones look worse, but sterling yen still looks all right. And if cable does reverse, like I think, and again, the Philly Fed number at 10 o'clock also is a big number. Listen, jobless claims could be good, like I think, and then we explode. Then Philly Fed could come out terrible, and then we collapse. So, look at this euro yen. I'm nervous. I don't know about being long. The stock market's been down now 2 days in a row, though not much, mind you. Though not much at all. There's a monster wedge forming in this euro yen. Monster. Who's to say we can't have a triple top? We could rally and fail again. 3 times the charm, then we bust through. Who knows? But if euro sterling needs to reverse in order for that to happen, for the euro to be the relative strength winner, for the euro to outperform. But looking at this euro yen, I'd love to be bullish, but I'm not. Stock market's been down the last 2 days. Carry trade, triple roll coming up. I think euro yen looks like a nice short. But again, I'm nervous. So, we're going to look to buy the pullback. I think the futures might be negative into the jobs number, given the number was so bad last week. And I think this London number has a chance to be bad. So all this to me in services PMI and Eurozone manufacturing PMI and services PMI, I'm not sure, to be honest. I really don't have that strong of an opinion. My guess is it should be a little bit better, but given the German numbers, I don't know. Germany's the key. And I don't know how great Germany's doing, so I think that's going to be weaker. Mixed feelings on that. But again, that starts at 3 in the morning. The big number's 4:30. A lot can happen from 4:30 to 8:30. That's 4 hours. So I would imagine the futures are going to be down. Negative bias going into that 8:30 number. And if I'm right, you got to get long for a trade at least until 10 o'clock. So for an hour before that Philly Fed comes out, you want to be long. And then Philly Fed, I think, is going to stink. Terrible. So it's going to be a crazy day tomorrow. And again, I'll play accordingly. And again, Andrew Spanton, Global FX Radio. Again, summer special coming up. 3-month deal for $400. And that gets on the website, Global FX Radio, June 1st. And again, if you're one of my previous listeners, I'm willing to let you in now. Feel free to just email me a special 3-month deal I will send you. info@globalfxradio.com. Andrew Spanton. Global FX Radio. Oh, baby. The only voice you'll ever need in Forex that makes you money, baby. El Cable.